today's video, I'm finally doing an apartment tour and I hope you guys enjoy, so let's get into it. Guys, this is my apartment tour, finally. And when you first walk in, I have this little mat and it's just to keep like all the dirt from tracking into my apartment. When you walk over here, I have my little shoe rack that I just have to keep my shoes from being right in front of the door and just to look nicer. Then above that, I have my little calendar. It's not up to date because I've been really busy and just haven't gotten to it yet. Then when you walk over here, I have my desk, and on top of it, I just have this little succulent plant, little wooden coaster that I got from Home Goods, and I also keep my keys right here. Then I have all the textbooks I'm just not particularly using a lot right now, so I just keep them out of the way. Then I have all my pens, pencils, markers that I don't use on the regular, along with my scissors and a hole puncher. Then on the chair, I just keep my jacket that I grab on the go. Look in here, I have my photo album, sketchbook, all of my mailing stuff in here, pens and some colored pencils in that little box. And I just like to keep all my loose paper in these two little drawers. Then when you walk over here, I have my ottoman where I keep all of my extra school supplies, like notebooks that I'm just not using. I have some cooking books that I just haven't found a place for. I also keep my purse there so I can grab it really easily. Then above my bookshelf, I have all these little cards that a family friend makes and sends me, so I keep them up here. Then on top of the bookshelf, I just have my little tray where I keep all my extra money. Then I have my bookcase, and I just keep all of my books that I haven't read on the top and bottom, and the books I have read in the middle. Then over here I just have my trash can, because that's kind of an essential. Then we have my fridge, and I just have some photos and magnets up here. And above it I have my crock pot and some chips. Then over here I just keep my hydro flask and some ginger ale and extra stuff. Then in the back I have my flour, sugar, and brown sugar. Then above here I just have all of my cooking supplies in here. Then if you look below here, I have just kind of all my cutting boards and some extra cooking stuff as well. And I keep all of my utensils in this little drawer. Then over here I have my stove, and I just have some little white hand towels, and I don't really have anything up there. Then over here is where I just have my microwave, and I keep all my spices and cooking spray and oils over here. Then if you look in here, that's where I keep all of my cups. Then in this one, this is where I keep all of my bowls and plates, and I have a mixing bowl up there as well. Then in this drawer, I have all of my cooking tools in here. That's where I keep all of that. And in here, I just keep all of my tinfoil, parchment paper, all of that kind of stuff. Then in here, I just have all of my big pots that I use to cook with. And in here, I have all of my big pans, glass pans, and then all my cooking pans and my muffin mix in there. Then over here, I have what I call my drink station, and I have just my Keurig, my little water dispenser, basically everything to make drinks with. And I just have all my drink mixes in here, some little to-go cups behind them. And I also have my mini dash in there. I also have this little sign that says today's good mood is brought to you by coffee. And if you look above here, I have all of my food and snacks that don't need to be refrigerated. Then in here, this is where I keep just some more hand towels. I don't even know what's in there, if there's anything. Then I have my toolbox down in here, along with some extra cleaning tools and the fish bowl back from when I had a fish. Then I have my sink. I just keep all my dish soap right there, my little scrubby, and I have a little bamboo plant there as well. Then I just have my paper towels and my drying rack. And I also have a dishwasher, but I don't really use it. And then in here is my little closet, and I keep all of my cleaning supplies and extra cat food in here. It's also a great place to keep my drying rack for when I do clothes. Then we're gonna walk into the living room where my lovely cat is waiting for me, my little Nora. And first, when you come in, we have one of her toys. There's toys everywhere. And I just have some laundry that I haven't gotten to yet. Then we have this big rug, which I got from HomeGoods for a really good deal. And I just keep all of my school stuff that I'm working on right there. And I have this ottoman, which surprisingly I got from Amazon. It was actually a really good find, and it's really nice. If you can tell, Nora really enjoys it. And then I have my couch, which my family's had this couch for I think almost 2 decades at this point. And on top of it, I just have some pillows and a little throw blanket that I both got from HomeGoods. Then over here, I have my little lamp kind of table situation. I just have a little wicker box where I keep all of my controllers for the TV. I have a little salt lamp that I don't even have plugged up. I just think it looks pretty. Another one of those coasters too. I just keep all my markers and colored pins at the bottom, along with a really cool Rolling Stones book underneath it. Then I just keep my backpack and my tote bag right here just so I can grab it if I need it. Then I just keep some paintings I don't have a place for really back there. And you might recognize this was in my dorm tour. And I just keep all my DVDs and my Blu-ray player right there. And I have the same cat for my dorm room too. Then we have my TV, and above it I have this corgi picture that I got from HomeGoods because it looks so much like my old dog, Max. Then little corgi planter right there. And I have my little fox. He usually goes on top. Don't know why he's down there. And I just have this little cube storage where I keep more books and school supplies. Then right here I have this little table, and I just keep all of my masks here because it's really easy to grab them when I leave. And then I just have my painting stuff right there too. Then we walk into the bedroom, and I have this, I call it my Find Me wall. And I have this really cool quat board, which my lovely Big Nicole actually made for me, and I'm obsessed with it. And I just keep a lot of photos on there. I still have a lot of bid day photos. And then I have some Find Me paintings. And then this is really cool. I got it for Pink Christmas for my Big, and girl in our chapter actually makes these, and it's really cool. And it has Aerosmith, which is one of my favorite bands, in it. Then I just have another laundry basket, my fan, which I use a lot in the summer. And I also keep Nora's carrying case right there. Then I have my nightstand right here, and I have my little lamp from HomeGoods. And underneath that, I just keep all my little fox stuff in there, and I have my little fox cactus. Then I have my bid day card and my pen right there. And I also just like to keep my medicine right here. That way it's easy right before I go to bed. And then I just kind of use this drawer as a junk drawer. Same kind of with the bottom. It's just a little more organized. Then you have my bed. And above my bed, I have this photo, which is kind of a joke, but I'm obsessed with it. I got it from HomeGoods. It was just so funny, and I had to get it. Then we have my bed, and I got my bedspread set from, I want to say Belk, back in the summer. So it was on a really good sale. But the pillows in the back, the big pillows, are from HomeGoods, and I got those on a good deal as well. And I just keep my laptop right there on the bed, because, not gonna lie, I do my Zoom classes in bed a lot. And I just have a little blanket that I just keep there in case it gets cold. Then if we walk over here, I just have this little rug just to kind of add something to my room. Then there's another trash can. And over here, I have my blanket basket where I just keep all of my blankets because I have so many. And beside it, I have all of Nora's food and water. There's obviously a lot of toys around there too. And I have my big mirror, and I'm obsessed with it. Then right here, I just have all of my jackets hung up, my nice Patagonias. That way they're just off the floor. Then we have this little cube storage, and I have my printer on top. Just more school supplies. And this is, I got this from my Big. It's a family tradition, these little photo frames. I still have the thing on it too from it. I just have my spare keys there too. If you're wondering why I have baking soda, I have a litter box because Nora is an indoor cat, and the litter box sometimes need baking soda, and it makes a huge difference. You would know if you have a cat. Then I have my dresser, and I just keep mostly workout clothes and jeans in here. And I just keep my purses on top, and then I have my badge that I got from initiation that I just haven't found a place for yet. If you walk in here, it's my closet. At the bottom, I have all my sorority t-shirts and sweatshirts in this little 3-tier container. Then I have basically all my clothes that I'm wearing on this side primarily. And then up above it, I keep my swimsuits, underwear, socks, more socks, pajamas, more t-shirts, then all of my towels I use from when my mom comes. And I just have all my hangers and some more clothes. And I have my big shoe rack, which I have a lot of shoes. And if you look back here, I just keep all the pillows I'm not using because I have a ton of pillows, more pillows, and just clothes that probably should go up. And then I have all my t-shirts in this organizer, and I have more shoes. I have a lot of shoes. And I also keep my painting stuff down there at the bottom. Then if we walk in here, it's my bathroom, and I just have some towels hung up from when my mom was here this past weekend. And I just have some mass drying because I washed them. So when you walk in, I have my hand towels up on this little rack. I have this little cart, and I keep all of my towels, hand towels, wash rags in there. And then I have all my kind of just like hygiene stuff in there as well. And there's that little rack. And if you walk in here, I just have more laundry. I just have my shower and my destroyed shower curtains thanks to my cat. I'm gonna actually step in here. I have this little hang thing from Amazon. I just keep all my face wash, like hair mask and stuff in it. Then I have this little shelf right here, and it's really nice. It just keeps all my shampoo, makeup, more makeup, and jewelry. And then we have my sink, and I just have kind of the necessary things in here. Then I have this little mirror right here, and if you look inside, it's a medicine cabinet. Just have more medicine and more like beauty stuff in there. And then I have these drawers. I just keep hair stuff, more like hair tools. There's just more stuff in there. And then in here, I just have more cleaning supplies and soap and stuff like that. I have a scale underneath there, but I can't have it fully out or it doesn't work. Then I have another towel. It's just kind of like where I keep my towel that I'm using. Then we have my big mirror, and that's my apartment.